Good day, friends. Welcome back to the Numberland, where mathematics become logical and fun. I'm Tahreem, and today's topic is one of the most powerful tools in higher math matrices. You will learn what matrices are, how to add, subtract, multiply them, and even find their determinants and inverse. So, open your notebooks and let's enter the world of number arranged perfectly in rows and columns. Let's Okay, now what is matrix? A matrix is simply a rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. Look at on the screen. Here I am showing you an example where 8 is equal to, under a big bracket, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 2, 3 first row and 4, 5 second row. Order or size equal to 2 into 2. Order equal to number of rows into number of columns. That is the order of a matrix. Now matrix notations and order. Look at on the screen. I am showing here the example. For example, if 8 is equal to, 8 to 3, it's equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 2 rows and 3 columns, right? Each element is equal to A rows 2 and 3 columns. A 2 into 3. It is equal to 6. Second row and third column. Tip: always mention the order before you operate the matrices. Now, types of a matrices. Look at on the screen. I am showing here. Number 1, row matrix. Like 3, 4, 5 in a row. It's called row matrix. Number 2 is column matrix, where 2, 7, 9 like this. It's a column matrix. Square matrix. In this matrix, 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a square matrix. Zero matrix, where all the numbers are 0. It's called zero matrix, obviously. Now, diagonal matrix, where 5, 0 and 0, 8. For example, identity matrix, in which 1, 0 and 0, 1. This is known as identity matrix. Showing on the screen. Now addition and subtraction of a matrices. It's very simple. Look at on the screen. There is no difference between addition and subtraction procedure. Just the difference is sign. Changing the sign. In addition we use plus and in subtraction we use negative sign. That's it. Look at on the screen. I am showing here the example. Now addition and subtraction of a matrices. It's very simple. Look at on the screen. There is no difference between addition and subtraction procedure. Just the difference is sign. Changing the sign. In addition we use plus and in subtraction we use negative sign. That's it. Look at on the screen. I am showing here the example. Now determinant of a matrix. 2 into 2. Order 2. Look at on the screen. I am showing here. It's very simple. You just need to remember these steps. Nothing more. Also, I am showing here the inverse of order 2 matrix. You can see it on the screen. That is mentioned by A minus 1, A inverse.